never seen that. Her hair up along her spine. I don't know if that's good or bad. But she's definitely holding her own. Yeah, poor Heidi. You're left out. You're left out. Oh, looks like she won here. Their body shapes are so different. Well, Heidi's going to go off and pout. What are you doing, Heidi? Oh, she's going to pee. Good dog. Good girl, Heidi. What a good girl. What a good girl. So my plan here is that they will dig under these dog crates, the bottom part, and I don't have the top part. So he started digging holes, and then I tried to cover it up with a dog crate, and then he kept digging. I thought, well, that's great if he would do that. Just dig where I put these crates. So we'll see. She goes in there too to dig. What's happening, huh? Oh, look at her. Look at her curl up her lip. Oh, is she getting mad? I don't know. Is she wagging her tail now? Now she goes after him. He thought the gate was open. Oh, don't run into me. All right, that's enough.